In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete text box in WPS Office. Text boxes are often used to organize content, highlight key points, or improve the visual layout of a document. However, there are moments when a text box is no longer needed, was added accidentally, or simply gets in the way of your formatting. When that happens, knowing the correct way to remove it can save you time and frustration. Before removing a text box, it helps to understand how it works inside WPS Office Writer. A text box is usually added through the Insert tab, where you select the text box option and draw it directly onto the page. Once placed, it does not behave like regular text. Instead, it is treated as a separate object within the document. Because of this, deleting it requires selecting the object itself, not just the text inside it. To properly remove a text box, begin by moving your cursor over the edge or border of the text box. Clicking inside the box will only highlight the text, which will not remove the entire box. When you click on the border, you will know it is selected because the outline becomes visible. This indicates that the text box itself is active and ready to be removed. Once the border is selected, you can right-click on the text box. A menu will appear with different options related to the object. From this menu, choose the Delete option. As soon as you click it, the text box will be removed from the document entirely, including any text inside it. Another quick method is using your keyboard. After selecting the text box by clicking on its border, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This instantly removes the text box without opening any menus. This method is especially useful when you want to work faster or remove multiple text boxes while editing a document. After deleting the text box, take a moment to check the surrounding content. Removing an object can sometimes affect spacing or alignment, so it is a good idea to make sure the document still looks clean and well organized. Adjust the layout if needed to maintain a professional appearance. With these simple steps, removing a text box in WPS Office becomes easy and straightforward. Once you get used to selecting the border instead of the text, the process will feel natural and efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.